The first step to setting up your SPF is to create your TXT record. A TXT record defines the mail servers that are allowed to send mail for your domain. A single domain can have only one TXT record for SPF. However, the SPF TXT record for a domain can specify multiple servers and domains that are allowed to send mail for the domain. If all email from your organization is sent from Google Workspace, use this line of text for your TXT record. V equals SPF1, include : spf.google.com ~all. If you send mail in other ways in addition to Google Workspace, you must create a custom TXT record for SPF. The Google Workspace Help Center has more details about how to format TXT record contents depending on how email is sent from your organization. For more information on setting up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, please visit the Help Prevent Spoofing, Phishing, and Spam topic in the Google Workspace Admin Help Center.